Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be talking about the prerequisites that you need to get started with Node.js. But before that, let's talk about Node.js. What is Node.js? It's a JavaScript runtime which is built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. You can know more about from the official website of Node.js. What's the use of Node.js? So it's basically used to uh, create real-time chat apps or data streaming applications like Netflix or Discord. Even Discord's built on Node.js if I'm not wrong. So first of all, we're gonna be using. So first of all, we're gonna need the runtime itself, which is available on the official Node.js website. Let's grab the installer. Click here on Windows. If you're on Mac, you can go to the macOS installer and let's just install it. Next, you're going to be needing an IDE or any text editor like Atom. I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code because I personally prefer it. It's way better in my opinion. Just download and install it. Next, we're going to open Visual Studio Code. It's already installed, yeah. You're going to be greeted with the getting started page. Just finish it real quick and then go to extensions. Type Node.js here. Install the extension pack. There you go, yeah. It contains some extensions that we're going to be using and which are pretty handy when working with Node.js. Let's just create a new file called index.js. Then we're going to console log. It's console log test, yeah. Let's save it. You can see it shows that our node version is version 16.13.0. Let's just, my bad, let's just run this script. Yeah, it console logs text, which is test. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and make sure to check out the playlist since it contains the whole tutorial. I'm gonna add links in the description to all the resources. Peace out.